Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Let's have another example of regular expressions.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
I have imported RE, then pat is the variable re.compile, and within square brackets I have written small a hyphen z, that means small a through to z, small z, and capital A through to capital Z. Now this will be in such a way that it will search all the characters, all the letters from small a to small z, as well as from capital A to capital Z. So when I have used find all with my object pat, my age is 42 and her is 36, it will miss 42 and rest of the characters will be printed. Let me show you. Control Shift F10. Yeah, MYAGEIS these ones. And you can also see it will not print spaces also, because we have mentioned only A to Z in small letters and capital A to capital Z, right? So it's not printing, it's printing neither spaces nor these digits 4, 2 and 3, 6. See, I will show you some list of metacharacters, important metacharacters which we use at the time of issuing regular expressions. Square brackets, this is for set of characters. For example, D hyphen G, that means all the in the string, all the characters which are either D or E or F or G, they will be printed. Similarly, ADHJ, this is an example. We have already done example for this square bracket. This is called set. And slash symbol is used, represents a special sequence. For example, slash D. We have done an example of slash D also. It will display all the digits. And this is caret symbol, right? I will give you an example of caret symbol, but first let me tell you, it starts with the for example, if I write caret namaste, so what will happen is, in the whole string, if the string starts from namaste, then it will be printed. Similarly, $D is for ends with, for example, $computers. If the string ends with $computers, then it will be printed. List of special sequences. Slash D we have already done. Similarly, it matches the digits from 0 to 9. Slash capital D matches the non-digits. And I will give you an example of slash W and capital slash capital W also. It matches small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Similarly, capital W matches all except the above. Slash S matches white spaces and slash capital S matches non-space characters, right? So these are special sequences, right?